Hello everyone, welcome to all the wonderful children of senior KG class and their parents to Home School Play and Learning Connection. So students, wiggle your fingers to tell me that you are fine and healthy. Yes, do it. Good. Let's begin today's 11th day of session 4 with a welcome song and that you are going to sing along with me. So let's begin. Welcome, welcome, how do you do? Welcome, welcome, how do you do? I am so glad to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Sit down, all in a ring. Sit down, all in a ring. Hold each other's hand too. Now at home, you can hold your hands of parents sitting together and watching the video. Happy, happy, that's how I feel. Happy, happy, that's how I feel. When we are together. Happy, happy, that's how I feel. When we are together. Happy, happy, when we are together. Happy, happy, when we are together. Come on, children, we are starting our session with interactive SCW time. So let's begin. This is the day 11 and SCW time starts now. And the first letter S stands for special skill of the day. You all know that. So what is the today's special skill? Yes, children? Yes, to put all the shoes and sandals in the shoe rack. Yes, children, don't forget to wash your hands nicely with soap and water after you are done putting the shoes and sandals in the shoe rack that is in its place. Okay, it is very necessary to wash your hands nicely, okay, with the help of the soap. So the next after this is E, everything to do with day, date and month of the year, and this is the August month 2020 and there are 31 days in all in August month. So the next one is W, which stands for the weather for the day. And you can see outside the window and note down that how is the weather today and tell your parents about it. Yes, come children, we are going to recite the days of the week. And do you know the song? You remember the song your teacher has taught to you? Yes. Let's start. Every day, every week has 7 days, starting from Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Did you brush your teeth today? Wednesday and Thursday. Did you wash your face today? Friday and Saturday. Eat your meals every day. We come again to Sunday and then we go day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and again back to Sunday. So this is the rhyme. We reset it now. Daily you have to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. These are the things also told by the old lovely lady from the story telling time, isn't it? Hansel and Gretel and the old lovely lady. So now let's recite the months of the year. And there are how many months? There are 12 months in a year. That's right. So let's begin from January. Yes, when you recite the months of the year, you have to wave your hands like this, okay? And wave your hands to your left and your right. Let's start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, children, very nice. Now it's time to tell you about the national bird, national animal, national fruit, yes, national flower, and national tree. So let's begin with the national bird. Come on, tell me which is the national bird of our country? Peacock, the beautiful peacock, that's right. And the national animal? Tiger. And national flower? Lotus. National fruit? Mango. And national tree? A banyan tree, a huge tree, banyan tree. So it's time now to recite the rhymes. It's the rhyme session and we daily recite 5 rhymes, okay, per day. So let's begin, children. Are you ready? For that you have to stand up, okay, and you have to do the actions with me and recite the rhyme with me. So let's begin, children. Yay. The first rhyme for today is Do Re Mi. It's favorite of mine and must be yours also. So let's sing to the tune of the same song. Yeah, let's begin. Do, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop of golden sun, me, a name I call myself, far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, La, a note to follow, so, Tea, a drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, sol, do. Yes, children, we have completed our first rhyme. The next rhyme is Lakdi Katti. It is a Hindi rhyme and let's begin with it. Lakdi Katti Kat Kat Kat, Keele Tukte Thak Thak Thak, Roti Pakti Pat Pat Pat, Motor Chalti Fat Fat Fat. So parents and children, for the repetition of the rhymes, you have to go back and again you have to listen to this rhyme, okay, repeatedly if you are not getting it. And I'm also sending the posters of the rhyme to you. So please go through it, the wordings of it, okay, and then you can sing the rhymes. You can make your child to sing the rhyme. Yes, the third rhyme for today is Miss Molly had a dolly. Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat tat tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. And he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for the pills, pills, pills. I will be back in the morning with the bill, bill, bill. Yes, children, this rhyme was also nice. And the next one is 10 Little Firemen. It's on the tune of 10 Little Firemen only. So let's begin. 10 little firemen slipping in a row. 10 little firemen slipping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho, ho, ho. Off to the engine, ho, ho, ho. Using a big pipe, so, so, so. Using a big pipe, so, so, so. When the fire is out, home they go. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to their bed, all in a row. Back to their bed, all in a row. Yes, children, this rhyme is also completed. Do the repetition of the rhymes daily. Next one is road safety. Let's start. Road is not the place to play. Road is not the place to play. During the night, during the day, during the night, during the day. Cars and buses come and go. Cars and buses come and go. Some are fast, some are slow. Some are fast, some are slow. Right and left you must see and go. Right and left you must see and go, and cross the zebra crossing so, and cross the zebra crossing so. Never throw litter on the road, never throw litter on the road, and always follow the traffic code, and always follow the traffic code. So these were the 5 different rhymes of today, and it's time for the literacy symphonics, and we are going to do the recitation of the alphabets today from A to Z as usual. Okay, so let's begin. When you recite the alphabets, okay, you have to put your hand one above the other like this. Okay, come on, do it with me. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Do it. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's right. Wonderful, children. So today we are going to learn the sound of letter C. We are going to do the review of sound C. We have already learned the sound of C, and now today we are going to do the review of sound C and the rhyme related to it. But before we start, children, we have to sit straight for that, and we have to listen to our elephant. Okay, elephant, isn't it? Jumbo elephant. So what he tells us always, yes, elephant ears, magnetic eyes, clean your desk for learning, hands on your lap to concentrate, hands on your laps to concentrate, sweet talking mouth to say the sound, sweet talking mouth to say the sound, and politeness. So how you should sit straight, hands on your lap, listen to your teacher what she is telling you, and concentrate, look on the screen what the teacher is teaching, the what the slides, how the slides are moving and what is given in the slide. Look straight on the screen and listen to your teacher, to the instructions of your teacher. So what we are going to do now, your teacher is going to teach you the rhyme of letter C and letter K. Okay, so let's begin. Caterpillars curling, caterpillars curling, kites are flying, kites are flying, ducks are swimming, ducks are swimming. Click the pictures, click the pictures, click the pictures. So what is the sound of letter C and K? Both the sounds are same. Both the letters have same sound. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Yes, we are going to now do the revision of letter S and the all alphabets, S, A, T, P, N, I, L, D, F, H. Okay, and the third row, okay, O, L, D. Yes, all the alphabets we are going to do the revision today. So let's begin. The first letter, yes, is letter S, and what is its sound? And with that, you are going to tell me the keyword. Snake. That's right. Snake. And which letter you can see on the screen, children? It is letter A. And what is its sound? Ah. How you do the action? On the leg, you do like this. Ah. Ah. Yes. Which letter is this? Letter T. Tell me the letter name first. Letter T. Do the action. Table. Say the keyword. Table. The next letter you can see is letter P. And what is its sound? P, p. Popcorn. And I know you all love popcorns very much. Yes, letter N. Nail. Nail. Letter I. I. Ink pot. Ink. I. Ink pot. Letter L. Ooh, lamp. Ooh, lamp. Letter D. D. Dancing. And this is your favorite letter. Yes, because you love this action very much. D. Dancing. Fan. Fan. Children, which is this letter? Next letter is letter H. Horse. Horse. Letter O. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. Letter C, which we are doing now. Letter C. Camera. Camera. By which you click the photos, isn't it? And this is the letter A. Letter C and letter K have the same sound, but the keywords are different. Kite. Kite. This is letter CK. When CK come together, it has also the same sound as letter C and as letter K. Okay, when they come together, they have the same sound. Like, yes, duck. You can listen the sound, CK sound at the end of the word. Duck. Isn't it, children? Yes. So now, children, it's time to do the skywriting. Take your finger, index finger, that is the pointer finger, and bring it in the front like this. Okay. And your teacher will be writing on the screen, that is on the picture card given here, and you are going to observe and you are going to write in the air. Okay. So are you ready, children? Yes. Show me your thumb. Very nice. Come on, let's start. Now you can see the cursor here and the dot here. Now cursor will move. Likewise, you will move your finger in the air. Come on, let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is the lowercase c from dotted line to dark line. Yes, one more time we will do it. 1, 2, and 3. That's correct, children. Now we are going to write letter K. Come on, let's begin. One standing line, then come upwards half the way, 2, then take a curve, 3, that's right, then a slanting line, and then a small curve upwards, 4, that's right. One more time we will do this time a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and it's 4. That's correct, children. So we have completed the skywriting of letter CK. So what is there on the screen? Nothing has been seen. Yes, children. Yes, children. Teacher has forgotten, I think so, to put something on the screen, isn't it? No, there is a magic, and you will see the pictures or the letters, whatever on the slide, when you say 3 magical words. And what are those? Abracadabra, gilly 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 gilly, chew. And here it is. Oh, it's letter C. Say the sound. Camera, camera. Cookies, cookies. You have camera, you have cookies. Yes, now again you have to say the 3 magical words. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, chew. And the letter C again. And which picture you can see? Camera. Yes, now there is a picture of cocoon and cocoon. Cocoon. It's insect. Now you can see the letter. Say the letter name. Letter K. Let's see the picture now. K, kitten. So say the sound. Kitten, kitten. Yes. So we have completed this one now. Now it's time for the green words. Okay. So we will do this by my turn and your turn. Okay, technique. So you can see. Come on. How many dashes are there under below this word? 1, 2, and 3. But we can see 4 letters here. Count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why it is so, man? You will be thinking like that, isn't it? Because CK, now only we learn CK has the same sound as C and K. Okay, so it has a combined, these letters are combined letters which has the same sound. So let's begin. One sound for S, one sound for I, and one sound for CK. Correct, children? So let's begin. Yes, the first sound is I. Sick. Come on, let's do it once again. I. Sick. That's right. The next word is S-O-C-K. So 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 dashes. So let's read it. Come on. Sock. Sock. That's right. The next word is, read the letters, letter names. Come on. C-O-C-K. cock. Come on, let's do it. C, o, cock, o, cock. That's right. Now, a worksheet is given here. You can see on the screen. Is it clear to you? Okay. So I'm going to send it at your mobile, on your mobile WhatsApp. Okay. So children, so don't worry if you cannot see it clearly here. Words to learn. I'm going to read the instructions for you. Please listen it carefully. Words to learn. Green words. These words are green words written on the green boxes. Okay. And these are the tricky words, okay, in the red boxes. So I cannot see it clearly. Can you see it? Okay, let's begin. The second word, okay, just I will tell you how to read it, how to do it. C-O-C-K. First read the alphabets given here, the letter names, okay, and then start with the sound. O, cock. Okay, the next word is, here it is, P-O-P. Yes, let's start. P, O, P, pop. That's right. R-O-C-K. Rock. That's right. So like this, you have to read with the help of this sound. Okay, just I have taught you. Read at home, okay, twice, thrice, so that the letter sounds you will know it perfectly. And then read the tricky words. Tricky words are read like that only. A, T-H-E, the, H-I-S, his. Do it again. A, T-H-E, the, H-I-S, his. Okay. So now you can read, when you read, try to read these words. Now then you can start reading the sentences given here. A sick cock, the sick cock licks a pop. The sick cock picks his socks. A sick cock licks a pop and picks his socks. So this is the way you can read the worksheet. Okay, you have to do the reading of this worksheet at home, and don't forget to write the date of today. Okay, today's date here in the date column. Yes, below at the right hand side, DATE it is given, and submit it to me. That's right. So here are the tricky words. We are going to read it again. It is A. The next one is the, HIS, his. That's right. Yes. And today now it's time to do Hindi, and we are going to recite the Hindi Swara and Vyanjan first. The previous lecture we have done with it. Okay. So revision of it we are going to do it. So let's begin. Are you ready, children? Yes. Before that, I want to take some games. Okay, we will do a meditation. So close your eyes, children, and take a deep breath and breathe out. Again, you will breathe in, inhale, and breathe out, exhale. One more time we will do it, inhale, exhale. Very nice. Now rub your palms, give the energy to your eyes, and open your eyes slowly, slowly, and slowly. How you are feeling now? Great. Isn't it, children? So now you can see on the screen, there is nothing on the screen, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. You have to say 3 magical words. Abracadabra, gilly gilly chew. And here it is, your worksheet. Okay. Swara padho. आपके लिए मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ने वाली हूँ. स्वर पढ़ो. चलो पढ़ लेते हैं. A, say anar. Now when I'm reading, you are going to put your feet, one feet on the other. Okay. And when the change of the swar is there, when you read the, जब आप अक्षर बदलते हो तो आपको आपकी feet बदलनी है इस तरह से. Okay. So let's begin. A, say anar. A, say anar. A, say am. A, say am. E, say imli. E say imli. E say ik. E say ik. U say ullu. ऊ से उल्लू, you do it, come on, do the action. ऊ से ऊन, ऊ से ऊन. रू से ऋषि, रू से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी, ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐनक, आई से ऐनक. ओ से ओढ़नी, ओ से ओढ़नी. औ से औरत, औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर, अंग से अंगूर. आहा, हमने स्वर पढ़ लिए हैं. अभी जाते हैं व्यंजन की ओर. पर कहाँ है व्यंजन? आब्राकडाब्रा गिली गिली चू. अगेन वी हैव टू रीड द स्वर. अ, आ, ई, ई. उ, ऊ, रू. ए, ऐ, ओ, औ, अंग, आहा. स्वरमाला पूरी कीजिए. So I have taught this. You have to do it. A, I, U, Ru. A, I, O, Au, Ang, Aha. This we have done previously 3 times. Okay. This is the 4th time we are doing it, or maybe 5th time. So do it at home. Complete this worksheet and submit it. Yes. Abracadabra, gili gili gili, choo. And what is it? Varnamala. Let's start. You have to do the feast and you have to put it one by one. एक के ऊपर एक रख दीजिए feast को जब आपका अक्षर बदलता है. क से कमल. और आपकी नजर होनी चाहिए स्क्रीन के ऊपर, क्योंकि मेरा एरो जब हिलता है तो वह स्वर शुरू होता है. ओके. क से कमल, क से कमल. क से कबूतर, क से कबूतर. क से कलम, क से कलम. ख से खत, ख से खत. ख से खरगोश, ख से खरगोश. ख से खरबूज. नेक्स्ट वन इज ग से गमला, ग से गधा. ग से गगन. घ से घर, घ से घर. घ से घड़ी, घ से घड़ी. घ से घड़ा, पानी का घड़ा. और ये क्या है? अंग. सॉरी. अंग के बाद क्या आता है? च से चम्मच, च से चम्मच. छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी. ज से जग, ज से जग. झ से झरना, झ से झंडा. और ये क्या है? य. क्या है ये? य. ट से टमाटर, ट से टमाटर. ट से टमटम, ट से टमटम. ठ से ठठेरा, ठ से ठठेरा. ठ से ठक ठक, ठ से ठक ठक. नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर. ठ से ठप्पा, ठ से ठप्पा. ड से डमरू, ड से डमरू. ढ से ढक्कन, ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढफली, ढ से ढफली. और ये कौन सा अक्षर है? ण. ण से बाण. यस. नेक्स्ट वन इज त. त से तरबूज, त से तरबूज. त से तराजू, त से तराजू. थ से थर्मस, थ से थर्मस. थ से थन, थ से थन. द से दवात, द से दवात. द से दवा, द से दवा. जब आप बीमार होते हो तो दवाइयाँ खाते हो ना. द से दर्जी, द से दर्जी, टेलर. ध से धनुष, ध से धनुष. ध से धन, ध से धनिया. न से नल, न से नहर, न से नभ. Yes. So up till now we have completed till न. So do the revision at home. आपको रिविजन करनी है इसकी. और अब हम करने वाले हैं यह हिंदी का वर्कशीट. मैं आपके लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ने वाली हूँ. ध्यान देके सुनिए प्लीज. तो ये वर्कशीट में पहले हमें मिलने के बाद हमें क्या करना है? पहले तारीख लिखनी है यहाँ ऊपर टॉप पे. वर्ण पहचानो, नीचे रेखा खींचो. तो आपको यहाँ दिए हुए वर्ण जो है वो पहचानने हैं और शब्द में जहां आते हैं वहां उस शब्द में अंडरलाइन करने हैं, आपको रेखांकित करना है। अब पहला अक्षर है ए से यहाँ क्या है, एडी। So just a moment. ए से एडी, तो ए कहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, यहाँ। अंडरलाइन कीजिए इसको, वेरी गुड। एक तारा, एक तारा, तो यहाँ फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट अक्षर है ए। एक, इस तरह से आपको रेखांकित करना है। नेक्स्ट अक्षर है आई। आई, आई न क, तो पहला अक्षर आपको अंडरलाइन करना है आई। ऐरावत। ओ, ओखली, अक्षर को पहले पहचानो, ओ, ओखली। ओढ़नी, ओस। यस, द नेक्स्ट वन इज औ, औरत। औरत कहाँ आपको सुनाई दे रहा है साउंड, पहले। औषध, औ, औजार, औ, दैट्स राइट। नेक्स्ट वन है अंग। आप जहां पेंसिल दिख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, अंग, कौन सा अक्षर है वो, अंग। अंगूर, अंडरलाइन इट, अंग। अंडा, अंजीर। नेक्स्ट है आहा, तो आहा को अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए। आहा से कोई शब्द नहीं होता, आहा। यस, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, हमने ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट किया है। यहाँ तारीख लिखनी ना भूले बच्चों। Yay children, wow, it's time for some fun games. And the name of today's game is Color Color. So how you have to play? You can see different colors here. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, isn't it? And orange. So how is the game to be played? You must be very curious. Parents have to instruct the child that parents show few colors. Parents, please do show the few colors one by one using a crayon or a cloth of that color or a piece of paper of that color. Okay, show the different color color crayons or cloth or even different color paper. So child will have to do the mentioned action on that particular color. If you show red color, you can show these like these types of bottles also. If you show the red color bottle, then the child will wiggle their fingers. If if the parents will show the blue color, you will clap, the children will clap their hands twice. Please remember the actions, okay? For the yellow color, put your hands up like this, okay? And green color, say hooray. So these are the actions I have decided. You can change the actions and tell in the instructions to the children that for this color you have to do this action and play the game likewise. So this is the game which you are going to play, and click the picture and the video of your child and do send it to me. The next one I'm going to go fast, parent-child interaction meet. We are going to discuss this one, literacy symphonics, child to watch the activity video on introduction of letter CK. Parent to do the follow-up activities with the child using the parent resource sheet. This is all related to the worksheet, okay? And children has to do this parent-child interaction meet. I'm going to tell you this again. I'm just going it fast, okay? So active exploration, music and movement. Listen to the music and have fun. Be creative and dance around. Encourage your parents. Children, it is for you. Encourage your parents now also to have fun with you on the music. The music has been sent to you. Please go through the music and play the music. And on that peppy music, you can have fun. Okay, rock and roll. Role play. The next one is role play activity. Role play activity in active exploration, and today's role play is airplane with the pilot. Okay, so pull some chairs into two lines to look like an aeroplane cabin. Aeroplane cabin. Okay, pull two chairs close to each other and make a aeroplane cabin, and or just enough chairs to look like a cockpit. Let your child do the rest. Okay, by him or her his or her ideas. Okay, the next one is child independent activities, and child can engage in these activities independently. The two activities are there: drawing time, where you have to the child has to prepare the board. Children, close your eyes for 2 minutes and imagine you are in a lake, near a lake, and drawing a boat. After 2 minutes, open your eyes and draw a boat on a blank sheet of paper and color the boat. Please do send the picture of your child. Take the click, okay, doing the activity, and after he has or she has done the drawing, please do send it to me. Special chores of the day: put away shoes. So this activity I have explained in the special skill of the day. The parent has to help. This is for parents. That time I have explained for the children. So parents, please do help your child to put all the shoes and sandals in the shoe rack. Encourage the child to wash their hands nicely with the help of the soap and water after you are done putting the shoes and sandals in the shoe rack. So these were the today's activities of day 11. Bye bye. See you, children and parents, and have a nice day. Do all the activities and please do send it to me. Yes. Come on. Bye bye. And thank you very much.